welcome back. One of the big challenges of painting nature is that tube greens are never the shade that you need them to be. So let's have a look here and see how we can tame them and turn them into something genuinely useful. Titanium white, alizarin crimson, ivory black, and of course phthalo green. A little bit of white into the green. This is going to be our highlight colour. You'll notice this is a really savage green straight out of the tube. We're going to tame that with a little bit of alizarin crimson just to grey it out. Of course that's on the other side of the colour wheel. So in order to get a usable colour, you basically just use its complement. That's getting close, a little bit more. I'm going to move on to the next one. So the next one, same deal, a little bit less white. Okay, again I'm going to use the alizarin crimson to grey that out. Look at the difference that makes straight away. Really usable colour. Last one, I'm going to open with a little bit of alizarin crimson just in the mix. Ivory black, phthalo green, and the alizarin crimson for the dark. Beautiful transparent colour. So there you go, some very nice usable greens without too much effort at all. Now, those of you with a keen eye and a colour wheel will probably have noticed that directly opposite the colour wheel from blue-green is in fact red-orange, and you may be wondering why I didn't use red-orange, instead I used red. More specifically, a very cool kind of red. And the answer to that is that I wanted to avoid warming these colours up too much. The picture itself, this source picture, it's all cool greens. If we'd gone with something like a cadmium red, which is very bright, it could easily have overpowered the subtle blue nature of these greens. So I went instead with alizarin crimson. Always a safe bet, not too crazy in terms of tinting. Definitely one to open with if you're looking to calm down a green. So if that's been useful to you, thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you next time. Cheers.